Bay Windows Tailor is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay Window Installation Services in Taylor MI offer professional expertise to ensure that each window is installed with precision and care, maximizing both beauty and energy efficiency. Custom Bay Windows Taylor, Michigan provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. By working with bay window specialists in Taylor, residents can select from a wide range of bay window materials, dimensions, and features to create a window that perfectly complements their home. Customization options include different types of glass, frame materials, and finishes, allowing for a truly bespoke design. Energy-efficient bay windows Taylor are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills and increase their home's comfort. These windows are designed with advanced technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Taylor can guide homeowners through the selection process, ensuring they choose the most energy-efficient options available. Bay window repair services in Taylor are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty seals, professional bay window contractors in Taylor MI can provide timely and effective repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can prevent more significant issues down the line, preserving the beauty and functionality of your bay windows. Affordable bay windows in Taylor offer a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. By working with reputable bay window contractors in Taylor MI, residents can find budget-friendly options that do not compromise on quality or style. Affordable bay windows come in various designs and materials, ensuring there is something to suit every taste and budget. Bay window replacement in Taylor MI is a straightforward process with the help of experienced bay window experts. Whether replacing old, inefficient windows or updating the look of your home, Bay window replacement services in Taylor ensure a seamless transition. Homeowners can choose from a wide array of bay window styles and features to enhance their home's curb appeal and value. Bay window design in Taylor, Michigan is all about creativity and innovation. With the latest bay window trends in Taylor MI, homeowners can explore new design possibilities that reflect current styles and preferences. From minimalist frames to bold statement-making designs, Bay Window Taylor design offers endless opportunities for personalization and expression.